Welcome. In this quick tutorial we are going to show you how to add multiple photos on phone on TikTok. It's super easy and we will make sure you get it right. Just make sure you are logged in and using the latest version. Make sure to watch the complete video and follow each step carefully to avoid forgetting anything and making mistakes. First of all, you have to click on the TikTok app. The app will appear in front of you. Now click on the profile. This type of screen will appear. Click on the plus mark. Now click on the upload icon and all the pictures in your gallery will be show in front of you. Now select the photos which you want to add. I have select these photos. Now click on the next. In this way, you can add multiple photos from your gallery on TikTok. That was all. Please consider showing your support by commenting, liking, sharing, and subscribing to our channel for more valuable content in the future. Your engagement is highly appreciated. I wish you very good luck. Thanks.